I'm called Patrick Nyamara Odego. I'm the education specialist for Maban County, Upper Nile State. I joined just in 2015, November 16th, that I'm working with Jess in this part of Maban County, training teachers in various areas. I am seeing, at least from the start, where I began the training, the teachers were not completely using interactive method, because that is the first part of the training I introduced to the teachers and as per our module. This time when I look at I did classroom observation, you see teachers at least involving children through questions and answers. The teachers also provide group work for children. And though not all teachers are preparing lessons, at least I am seeing a good number of them, they do prepare lesson plans day by day. Yeah, the training I've been doing in the past 2 days was about how to use the scripted lessons in mathematics for P1, P2, P3. Scripted lessons are it is a detailed lesson plan that is meant for the teachers to follow. As we did the training for 2 days, the first day was going through scripted lessons, being able to identify teaching and learning aids found in the classroom, then found outside the classroom, and then teaching and learning aid found at home, teaching and learning aid that they can get from the local environment, and then teaching and learning aid they as the teachers will be making, and what teaching and learning aid learners will be making as they present their lessons. They each identified a topic to prepare on. Then as they identified the topics with a lot of materials that we had in the training room, and they prepared the teaching learning materials according to the scripted lesson that is ready for them. And the second day was general presentation, which was done by 19 teachers who were present.